Hello everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step easy way how to buy Sylo. So like you can see, Sylo has Sylo/BTC. So Sylo has Bitcoin pairing on KuCoin, okay? So what you first have to do is either the first step is to sign up on KuCoin. Go to the description of this video, click the link on KuCoin and sign up, okay? After that, come back to this video and I'm going to show you step-by-step how to buy Sylo, okay? So the first step is to have Bitcoin on your KuCoin account, and you have two ways to get it. You can either buy crypto, so go to homepage, click buy crypto, click third party, and here you can straight up buy Bitcoin with your credit card. Select the currency that you want to pay it with, and select how much you want to buy and just purchase it, okay? So first step is you can either purchase the Bitcoin or you can deposit it. All you have to do is go to assets and click deposit, and here click Bitcoin, and here you will get your Bitcoin address where you can deposit your Bitcoin, okay? So now if you either bought the Bitcoin on KuCoin or deposited it on KuCoin, the Bitcoin will show up in your main wallet, okay? So this is the main wallet. Okay, so I'm going to explain now you how KuCoin works. So KuCoin has two different wallets, main and trading wallet, okay? So when your cryptocurrency is in your main wallet, you can withdraw it, but you can't trade it. And when your cryptocurrency is in your trading wallet, you can trade it, but you can't withdraw it, okay? And to transfer cryptocurrencies between these two wallets is easy, simple, and free, and it's instant, okay? So all you have to do is click the cryptocurrency, click transfer, and like you can see, from main account to trading account, select how much you want to transfer and click confirm. It will transfer it instantly, and you will see it in your trading wallet. And you can also do it vice versa, so click the cryptocurrency that you want to send to your main wallet, click transfer, and like you can see, from trading wallet to main wallet, and select how much you want to transfer, and that's how it works, okay? So now you know how to switch between these two wallets. And remember, when your cryptocurrency is in your main wallet, you can't trade it, but you can withdraw. And when your cryptocurrency is in your trading wallet, you can't withdraw, but you can trade. That being said, to buy Sylo, you have to trade that Sylo into Bitcoin. To do that, all you have to do is now transfer that Bitcoin into your trading wallet so you can trade it, okay? So click the Bitcoin in your main wallet and click transfer, and select how much you want to transfer. Just if you want to select all, just click all, and then confirm, okay? Then it will transfer the Bitcoin to your trading wallet. So now you have Bitcoin in your trading wallet, and we can go and actually buy Sylo. So go to market, type in Sylo, and select Sylo/BTC. After that, click buy, and here is the trading desk. Here you can straight up trade your Bitcoin into Sylo, okay? So this is how you do it. So you, on the upper left corner where it says Sylo/BTC, the one on the left, Sylo, is the cryptocurrency that you're buying, and the one on the right where it says BTC, that is the cryptocurrency that you're selling. So you are now selling your Bitcoins and trading that into Sylo. And check out the right side of my screen. On the bottom you can see green numbers. Those are buy orders, so somebody is currently also buying Sylo. And on the top you can see red numbers. Those are selling orders, okay? So somebody is currently selling Sylo, okay? And to select the price that you want to buy your Sylo with, all you have to do is click the red numbers, because these are sell orders, okay? So when you click the bottom one of the red numbers, that is the lowest price that somebody's currently selling their Sylo. So when you click the bottom one, you will automatically get the high lowest price for your Sylo, so you will get more Sylo coins basically, okay? So always click the bottom one of the red numbers. After that, you have to select how much Sylo you want to buy. So you can either click the amount and type in here how much you want to buy, or you can use these percents here. So when you go with like 50%, that means that you're selling 50% of your Bitcoins and trading that into Sylo. And if you want to sell all of your Bitcoins and trade that into Sylo, all you have to do is click 100%. Okay, so that's how it works. After you have selected how much Sylo you want to buy, just click buy Sylo. After that, the trade will execute, and when you go back to your assets, you will see the Sylo right here. Okay, so that is how it works. Now you know how to buy Sylo. And remember, if you keep your Sylo in your cryptocurrency main wallet sorry, so if you keep your Sylo in your main wallet, you can withdraw it, but you can't trade it. And here's how you can withdraw it. Okay, so go to main wallet and click withdraw. After that, type in Sylo. Okay, and here you can actually withdraw it. Okay, and if you want to keep trading it, all you have to do is keep it in your trading wallet, and you can trade it that way. Okay, so that's how it works. Pretty easy once you like do it a couple of times. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a subscribe to this channel, because that would help me a lot. Thank you so much, and like this video if you found it helpful. And if you have any problems with this method or any cryptocurrency related problems, I'm here to help you, so leave a comment and I will answer you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.